At Tranxact.AI, we understand the challenges that manufacturers face in today's fast-paced world. That's why we've developed a powerful quote-to-cash process that not only streamlines operations but also enhances accuracy and efficiency from start to finish. It all starts with customer inquiry. Meet our AI-powered chatbot, the first step in creating a seamless customer experience. Whether it's a quick question or a detailed request, our chatbot instantly engages, providing the right answers, whenever needed. Next is quotation accuracy. With Tranxact.AI, generating accurate quotes is faster and more reliable. Our advanced algorithms analyze not just the details of the order, but also the broader market trends, sales patterns, and customer history. This reduces errors and ensures your quotes are always competitive and aligned with your customers' needs. Then comes accurate planning. Tranxact.AI takes forecasting to the next level. By scanning historical data, market conditions, and even social sentiments, it creates precise, actionable forecasts. Whether it's a top-down, bottom-up, or middle-out forecast, Tranxact.AI helps you plan smarter, ensuring you're always ready to meet demand. And when it comes to payment collection, Tranxact.AI predicts payment delays before they happen. Automated follow-ups and proactive alerts ensure that overdue payments are minimized, and your cash flow stays healthy. You'll never be caught off guard. From inquiry to payment, Tranxact.AI's quote-to-cash process ensures your business runs like a well-oiled machine. Every sub-process is connected, automated, and optimized to give you more time to focus on what matters most. Faster responses. More accurate quotes. Smarter planning. Fewer payment delays. Tranxact.AI helps you drive efficiency, reduce errors, and increase customer satisfaction. Experience the future of manufacturing today. Unlock the full potential of your business with Tranxact.AI.